how to log into your Discovery Plus account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply make sure that Discovery Plus is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open the application, right? So after opening the application here, make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your Discovery Plus account. So if you do remember all of the credentials, there's no complicated process. All you need to do is agree with terms and policy of Discovery Plus. Then from here you can simply tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, all you need to do is add in your email address right here, and then you can simply tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, there you'll need to add in the password of your account, and after typing down the password, simply tap on login, and just like that you'll successfully be logged into your Discovery Plus account. So in case if unfortunately you have forgotten any of the credentials, you can tap on need help signing in right here. Then we'll get into another link where they will give you a further prompt on how you'll be able to recover any of your ID or password. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.